Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to the Web Application Penetration Testing and Secure Coding. This is a video number 11 and in this video we are going to see CSS Basics Part 1. CSS is known as Cascading Style Sheet and it is used to apply styles to different parts of a web pages. For the CSS, the style tag is used and style tag is under the head tag. When browser sees the style tag, it understands everything inside those tags are CSS. And browser use CSS parser to understand it. Now we will add CSS style rule. Style rule has a selector which tells the browser what part to style and a declaration to tell the browser how to style that part. Now let's style these h2 tags. For that, inside the style tag we will type h2 and then curly braces. Inside this we will put our declaration which has properties and values. Now we want to change the text color of h2 tag. To change the text color we use the color property. After that we'll put colon and then we will enter the color name. Let's enter red. Let's save this and let's see the output in a web browser. So as we can see, the text color of h2 tags has been changed. Now let's do the same thing with the paragraph tag, that is a P. For that let's type selector P, open curly braces, and to change the text color let's use color property once again. Let's change the color to the green, save it, and let's go to the browser. Okay, so as we can see, the text color of a paragraph tag has been changed to the green. Now let's change the background of a web page. To change the background of a web page we will use the body tag because everything that is visible is inside the body tag. Let's type body, open curly braces, let's type background color colon blue. Let's save it and go to the browser. Let's refresh the web page. Okay, as we can see, the background of a web page has been changed. There are hundreds of CSS properties and we will use them when we'll need them. So that's it for this video. If you want to solve the exercises and test your knowledge, please visit this link. Thank you.